Hello everyone and welcome back to uGenesys, and today I am thrilled to present to you with our latest creation, Market Keys, the revitalized trade manager. And this remarkable tool is designed to unveil the hidden secrets of the Forex market. Whether you're involved with Forex indices or any other trading, a trade manager like Market Keys can revolutionize your approach. Think of it as your personal assistant, enabling flawless execution and management of your trades. Brace yourself to elevate your trading endeavors to unprecedented heights with this extraordinary tool. So let me give you a quick breakdown of today's video. So first I'm going to show you how to add this trade manager to your chart. Next, I'll showcase its key features, and lastly, I have an exciting surprise bonus in store for you towards the end. So first, we're going to go up here to our View tab, and then we're going to select Navigator, and here is our Market Keys Trade Manager. And if you take a glance up in the top right hand corner, you'll see a small frowning face. But however, our aim is to transform that frown into a smile. So first we're going to just right click on our chart and go to Expert Advisors, Properties, and then we're just going to select this box here that says Allow Live Trading. And additionally, we want to ensure that auto trading is enabled. So let's go ahead and click up here. And there we go. Now we have our cheerful smiley face indicating that we're all set. So this trade manager presents a selection of remarkable instruments crafted to streamline your trading journey. To start with, it aids in precisely determining the suitable lot size. Calculating lot sizes can prove to be difficult given the diverse values of various currency pairs. However, our trade manager incorporates this feature to alleviate such complexity, offering a convenient solution for calculating the accurate percentage lot size necessary for your trades. Now let's navigate to our terminal and quickly examine our balance. So we see we currently have a balance of $47,987. Let me just close this here. So the first step involves specifying the desired stop loss. So for instance, let's say I choose 20 pips here. And then let's say I set the risk at 5%. And once these two values are established, then we can click on the calculate button here. And you can see it automatically computes the lot size for me. So presently we have a lot size of 12 lots. So now that I have this information, I can make a well-informed decision regarding whether to initiate a buy or sell order. And upon examining this Euro USD chart, it appears that we're experiencing an uptrend right now. So therefore, I will proceed by clicking on the buy button. But just before doing so, I would like to draw your attention to the 4 panels located at the top. So currently we are on the execute panel, and additionally there's a manage panel, a stats panel, and a secure panel. But for the time being, let's concentrate on the execute panel to showcase its features. So by clicking on the buy button, you will notice that a graphical representation emerges on the chart. And additionally, you can conveniently adjust the stop loss and the take profit directly on the chart itself. So you're not confined to using the panel exclusively for modifying these values. So it provides the flexibility to make adjustments right on the chart. And furthermore, it displays the dollar value for both the stop loss and the take profit. And additionally, the trade manager automatically calculates your risk to reward ratio. So now I will proceed to click on the confirm button, effectively executing the trade and entering the market. And as you can observe, the process is quite straightforward. And additionally, you will notice the presence of options for a buy stop. And as you may already be aware, a buy stop is a feature of a pending order that automatically enters the market when the price reaches a specific level indicated above the current market price. And moreover, we also have a buy limit option available. And a buy limit is placed below the current market price. And if the market reaches that level, a buy order will be triggered automatically. But however, feel free to experiment and explore the functionalities at your disposal, and you will find it to be a very user-friendly and easy-to-use experience. So to summarize, our Execute tab provides the capabilities to enter the Forex market by placing buy and sell orders. And furthermore, it offers the convenience of calculating lot sizes based on your specific risk parameters. And it is important to highlight the fact that this trade manager was specifically designed with prop firms in mind, as different prop firms enforce distinct risk requirements. For instance, the prop firm known as the Fivers allows a maximum risk of 0.5%. So allow me to demonstrate how this functionality works for you. So for this particular trade, I will set the stop loss at 50 pips. And following that, I will assign a risk of 0.5%. And then let's hit the calculate button. And as a result, you will observe the automatic calculation of the lot size, which amounts to 0.48 lots. So this tool proves to be incredibly valuable, particularly in such scenarios. Additionally, you have access to a wide array of features, including buy stops, buy limits, sell stops, or sell limits. And these features offer a comprehensive range of options to enhance your trading strategy. And now let's move on to the Management tab, where you can access a range of functions to effectively control and manage your trades. So within this tab, you have the ability to make various adjustments to your trades. So for instance, if necessary, you can move your stop loss to the break-even point. And also you have the option to close 50% of the trades, which I will now demonstrate for you. So let's just open the terminal once again. And currently you can observe that our lot size as indicated. And so by selecting the close 50% option, it means that half of the position will be closed. And as you can see, it now reflects a value of 6 lots. And this action demonstrates the closure of half of the trade. And if this process is repeated, it will continue closing portions until the entire position is fully closed. And so this is how the close 50% button functions. And by opting for the stop loss to break even option provided here, the trade manager will automatically adjust the stop loss to the entry point once the trade becomes profitable. And also, if there are any buy limits, buy stops, sell limits, or sell stops, the trade manager will offer the option to close them as well. And additionally, you will notice the option to close trades located here, and therefore you have the flexibility to choose whether to close all trades, only the profitable trades, or only the losing trades. And so as you can observe, this management section efficiently handles these actions within the trade manager. So now let's delve into the stats section. So this section presents valuable insights into the statistics of your account, enabling you to access essential information such as your current balance, equity or drawdown, as well as your growth. It allows you to observe your daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly growth. By closely monitoring these statistics, you can effectively track and evaluate your overall performance. And additionally, you have access to metrics such as the average win, average loss, and profit factor. And these metrics enable you to assess your performance without relying on external tools. And the trade manager automatically checks and provides these essential statistics, eliminating the need for separate performance management tools. So that concludes our statistics section. So now let's proceed to explore our security feature, which holds immense significance. So this feature encompasses the Daily Equity Protector, which is a crucial tool that safeguards your trading activities. And within this feature, you can establish specific thresholds for both profit and loss. And if either of these thresholds is attained, the trade manager will automatically cease trading, preventing you from continuing further. So for instance, if you set a profit target of 1,000, the trade manager will halt trading once that level is achieved. And similarly, if you set a loss limit such as 550 in this case, then the trade manager will automatically halt trading when that threshold is reached. And also, you have the freedom to customize these limits according to your daily or weekly profit and loss targets, allowing you to adapt them to your specific preferences and requirements. So this security feature grants you a powerful tool to safeguard your account and promote responsible trading practices. And now let's take a look at these next two revolutionary features of this trade manager. And trust me, these are the ones you absolutely must have to master your trading psychology, because overtrading is a common pitfall for many traders. And imagine this, you just lost $500 in the market, and what do you do next? Try to recover it all, right? But guess what? That often leads to even more losses, and this is where the brilliant concept of the prevent manual trade comes into play. And let me assure you, this trade manager is the only one out there that offers this incredible feature. So let's get straight to the point. Sometimes you convince yourself that you're done with trading for the day, and so you shut down your computer and perhaps you even leave the room. But what happens next? You find yourself opening the trading app on your phone and making impulsive trades. However, with this trade manager, things have changed. It has your back. It prevents you from engaging in manual trades, even if you're tempted to secretly trade on your phone while you're at the supermarket or anywhere else. So say goodbye to impulsive trading decisions and hello to discipline. This is a true game changer, my friends. So when you attempt to take a trade on your phone while this feature is on, it will automatically delete that trade, and so you won't be able to trade at all. And the last feature we'll discuss is the limit orders per day. Let's say you decide, I only want to take 3 trades per day, nothing more. Once this feature is activated, you'll be able to execute your 3 trades and nothing beyond that. And if you attempt to make a 4th trade, it will automatically delete it. It's a straightforward and efficient mechanism, my friends. And so guys, it's time for the surprise I mentioned at the beginning. So if you visit the MQL5 platform using the link provided in the description, you'll find our trade manager available there. And take a look and you'll see that we offer a free demo option allowing you to test out this trade manager before making a purchase. And we provide the free demo option for both our MT4 platform and our MT5 platform. So make sure to take advantage of it and try out the demo before making your decision. And there you have it, folks. That concludes our review of the remarkable Market Keys Trade Manager. And so thanks again for watching our video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. And goodbye for now.